Hey craft lovers, and welcome back to my channel. So I am starting the channel already mixing my KS resin. Again, you guys can get the KS resin, link in bio, link in description below, and you can use code I.O.U.FAVORS for 10% off. So I'm mixing it up already. You guys can see I have my parchment paper down, I have all my materials down, I have gloves on, and I have a mask on. Again, KS resin, description below, use code I.O.U.FAVORS and you get 10% off. So you guys, you need to mix this for about 2 minutes, and we're gonna be using alcohol ink today. We're gonna be using glitter, and I'm gonna be using 3 different molds. Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I have a heart mold that I'm going to be using. I have the geode mold that I'm going to be using. And I have a flower mold that I'm going to be using. So make sure you have that handy. Again, guys, use mask, use glove. This is very important. This is for your safety. Again, this is a chemical, so make sure you use all materials needed to keep you safe. Okay. So I have 2 cups. I'm going to put my red glitter inside. I always take the cap off. I don't know why. Look how pretty that is in the light. So this is the red glitter, and I'm going to be using pink. And this is, again, for Valentine's Day because it is coming up, and it's on, I believe, a Friday, which is always good. So you have the whole weekend. Again, this is pink. Both of these glitters I bought from Walmart. I don't remember the price. It's been that long ago. But it's inexpensive, which is always great. Look at that pretty pink. It's really bright too. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. And we are going now to get our resin. And we are going to be putting that inside of this mold. These silicone molds are actually baking molds, and baking molds is just as good as regular silicone molds that they sell. It does the same job. It comes out shiny. I'm going to be using these decorative fillers. I'm going to be putting them inside, as well as the geode, and this is the flower. I'm going to be doing the middle one. Yeah, the middle one is really cute. All right. This is the geode. I'm going to be putting the filler inside of there. All right, guys. So let's get started. So we're going to use our resin. We're going to pour it into each glitter cup. That's the pink one. We're going to pour it also into the red cup. I'm going to pour a good amount to make sure the glitter is spread around it. And we're going to put that to the side. We're going to use another popsicle stick, and we're going to stir it up real good. You want to make sure you get in the creases of the cups because glitter falls out. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, it's super, super pretty and sparkling. Who doesn't love glitter? I know I do. Except for when it gets all over me. But I would still like it because guess what? I'm sparkling. But again, we want to make sure we stir this up really, really good. And make sure we get all in the creases. So scrape the popsicle stick all around the cup to make sure you get all of it. And we're going to do the same. Get another popsicle stick, and we're going to do it with the red. You're going to stir it up real good. It's pretty. It's bright. And we're going to be mixing these 2 together. We're going to be mixing the pink with the red and see how that comes out. I think it'll look really cute because they are super bright, and yeah. So again, make sure you get all of the scrapes in the corners of the cup, like the creases on the bottom. Now that is done, we're going to leave that, put that to the side. I'm going to be moving these 2 cups because I don't need it. I just had them just to see. So we're going to be working with this mold. And again, we're going to be working with the geode. We're going to be putting the decorative filler in that right now. So we're going to do that right now. Pop that baby open. I'm going to speed it up so we can get through this. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna open it up a little bit and get it out, pour it out right here. There we go, that should be enough. Yeah. Maybe I'll use a few pieces in the heart and in the flower, we'll see. But yes, so once I put this to the side, I am going to show you guys again the flower that I am going to choose, and it is the middle flower. Yeah, the middle flower for sure. All right, guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna take the pink and I'm gonna pour it right in the center of it. Hopefully it doesn't drop. Yes. Pour. Yeah, that is perfect. Oh man, right when I thought it was perfect, but it's still cool. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side, and I am going to now get the resin, and we're gonna be working with the pink and red glitter resin. We're gonna put that inside of the heart. So we're gonna put this one right in the heart. There's a smaller heart right in the center. I'm not sure if you guys see it. There we go. Just make sure I spread it around so it's actually in there. Perfect. And I'm gonna do that for another one, but this time I'm just gonna put red. Right in the middle, right in the center. Yes. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the resin and pour it in the flower. I didn't realize that it was out of the shot when I was doing it. But yeah, I poured the resin inside of the flower, the clear resin, and we're gonna add some alcohol ink to that. So I put it just not to the top, but like halfway. All right, so once we finish that, we're gonna take the resin, put it to the side, and we are going to pour some around the middle to put the filler inside. So we're gonna pour some of it around the circle, the middle circle. And we are going to put the filler inside. But at this point, I'm just gonna speed it up, guys, and I'm gonna explain. I feel like I am dragging this video and I wanna get you guys through it, as well as it clearly explain what I need to do. Now that the resin in the middle, I'm gonna speed it up so you can see what I do next. So we put the filler in the middle of the geode. I always pronounce that wrong, guys. I'm sorry in advance. And we're gonna put enough to make sure. I'm gonna put a little bit in the inner heart of the hearts, and I'm not putting any in the flower. I put a lot in the open heart where there's no middle. And now we're gonna put the pink, and then I'm gonna put some red, and then I'm gonna add some more pink. Put it around the edges. Yeah, we're gonna scrape that out. And we're gonna leave an open space to add another color inside. So what I'm using now is a popsicle stick to make sure I push it towards the edges. I'm gonna use that red and I'm gonna put it in the heart. I'm gonna use all of it. And when I'm done using all of the red inside of the heart, I'm gonna take the resin and I'm gonna pour it on top of the pink middle heart and the red middle heart with the filler inside. We're gonna be putting alcohol ink in there. I'm gonna pour a little bit inside the geode, the geode, and I'm going to be moving over this so you guys can see me put the alcohol ink in the inside of the hearts as well as the flower. So I started with like a purplish color, then I'm going to add some of the white into it. Then I am going to add some of this coral. It's like a coral kind of color, and it makes it like an orange. I'm going to add a little bit more white, more of the purplish color, and then a little bit more coral. I'm excited how to see that with a few more drops of white. And that is it. I'm gonna let that settle a little bit. And now we're gonna be moving to the geode. I'm gonna put some silver, and I want to give it like a drapey kind of look effect. I'm gonna had to shake it up, put some white on it. So this should have it like coming towards the front, like it's coming at you like a 3D effect. Now we're going to use our torch. We're going to torch the flower. Make sure it's torched to clear it up. We're going to torch our geode because we are done with that. And we're going to add some dyes into the middle of the heart. So I'm just making sure the fillers is enough in the middle. For the geode, I'm going to add a little bit of more resin that's left over. Put it on the red glitter because I didn't put none to cover it up. And I'm going to be adding some white on top of that, of all the hearts. And I am going to be putting some coral on one. Putting some gold in another one. And we're gonna make sure, pour some resin on top to make sure we don't waste no resin. Resin is expensive, but if you use I.O.U.FAVORS in the checkout at KSResin, get 10% off. We're gonna use a torch to seal the deal, to clear it up, and that is it. Now we have to wait and let it sit for 24 hours. 24 hours has passed, so we're going to start demolding the first resin art, which is the flower. And this one was with the pink glitter in the middle, as well as like different type of alcohol inks inside. And you guys can see, I can see the glitter as well as the different alcohol inks. So the white is like more of like the petals. And then you can see the glitter, and I'm not sure if you guys can see like that marble 3D effect in the actual flower itself, but it's pretty cool. You really can't see it here, but hopefully when I take the pictures, you guys can see it. And then these are the hearts. This one had the pink center. It's super cute. I'm going to be making these into magnets. I'm going to be taking pictures for you guys to see. And it's like a coral kind of background, which contrasts with that glitter pink center. And the second one had the red, pink, the red center. And it had the golden white background. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it gives it a 3D effect as well. And you can see the golden white marble swirls in the background, glistening. This also is going to be made into a magnet, and you can see the filler in the middle of the red. And lastly, we have the red glitter open heart. And this heart has glitter, red glitter inside with the filler with a white background. This is also going to be made in magnet. The glitter is very bright and shiny, you guys can see. You can also see the gold, the filler inside. It looks kind of gold from the lighting with the white backing. I'm going to be putting this into a magnet, and these will be on my fridge. These also can be made into some cute earrings, I think at least. And lastly, we have our geode. I know I'm saying it wrong, guys. Correct me in the comments below. All right, and look at that bright pink. It's super pretty. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that 3D effect? First of all, that glitter is glistening. Do y'all see that? Amazing. And then, do you see it? The 3D effect coming at you? OMG square. That looks super cool. Yes, so this is the final look. And the decorative filler looks really cute inside of it too. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, craft lovers. And just like that, we are done with another video. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that bell notifications. Until next time, deuces.